Greeting, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Abramova Nadezhda. I've continued the cycle of the show, which started by Olga Vladimirovna Skorobatyuk in the show Ladies Club Sexual Revolution. Now I shall tell you just a little people burst on August. 11 not leap or on August 10 leap years. The data are selectively taken from the catalogue of a human population. You can receive more detailed information on the site of our laboratory, which refers to authority, money, health. So, if you have wanted to the woman who was born in August 11 non-leap year or an August 10 leap year, you should exhaust her at first. Full music of rustling coppers of a large advantage. She is masterful to represent to you an African patient under such accompaniment, and that's enough. So, one more purse on the legs, which it is easily possible to pay off sex with, the money and sex, and why not? This little man has received an orgasm. Me too, plus a little money, and it's not badly from the all sides. Besides this man, a god. To pay money for the orgasm, an unusual business, and to receive orgasm for another money is a skill. So this lady behaves. She is legislator of human relations, but for another's money is always. The poor and dirty people don't interest in her. For her to get a man, leader, the leader, which always torn in the first lines to rise in the head of all and whole. And he does not confuse to say it directly, openly, considering that himself will not praise, nobody will praise. To catch her type, then it is possible by a love with a passion, with a full feedback of soul and body when you forgot about all, even about money. If you are capable to pay such Casanova, she is yours. Let's imagine she has bothered you. It's necessary for you to turn simply to constantly whining laws covered with depression, unwashing, dirty in a panic, running, not understanding where for the sake of rescue. It is possible to accuse this lady of all fails. To tell her that she has destroyed you with a terrible condition close to suicide, say to accuse of her in all moral sins and make in melancholy with tea of hopelessness, and everything is ready. This lady will get behind you, her having been frightened of that she ostensibly has done with you. She will run into depression, swallow a lot of the depressants, she will get drunk, and even she will be carried away. Such a recipe to apply doesn't go. Such lady has not deserved it, even because has shown to you the true passion that happens really. Such a recipe is similar to pinch of glass wool in her favorite slims of a demi-military sample which are dressed on leg with rather sensitive skin. Be careful. If your lady will catch you, she will revenge ruthlessly. In revenge, she is persistent as woodpeck, compromising as bee protecting the honey. By the way, this lady likes very much the sweet. If you want to return with friendly contact, invite her to the dessert menu, and it is desirable after a good portion of meat. And so, coming back to revenge of this lady, you don't have need to be praised by the sexual victory over her before the friends of fellow workers. If she works near to you in the company, she can arrange a great deal of